Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can play all games from the Epic Games Store with a PS4 controller. Now, this works for unsupported games or games that just doesn't seem to have a nice layout for the controller, and it doesn't seem to be working. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing, of course, grab your PS4 controller, grab a USB cable and plug the USB cable inside the PS4 controller. Now, once you've done that, you can open up your Windows computer or laptop and open up Steam, because this is a very nice workaround. We're going to use the Steam layout for the controller to act as a method to be playing on the controller. That's a very easy process. What you want to do, you want to first hop onto your Steam profile, go down to the library, and what you want to do, you want to go to the bottom left and add a game. Now here, add a non-Steam game, and let's say it's the game called, for instance, the Roblox game or something else. You can simply select the game and from there add the selected program. Let's say you can't find it. Now make sure to find the file location first, and from there you can browse and select the launcher for the game. Now make sure to don't select the Epic Games launcher. Use the launcher for the game itself. Now once you've done that and you added the non-game Steam to your Steam library, what you can do then is go to the top right corner where the Enter Big Picture mode is, open up the Big Picture mode for Steam, as you can see right here. And once the Big Picture mode opens up, what you want to do is go to the bottom left of your screen where Steam menu appears, and here you want to go down to the settings right here. Inside the settings, we're going to the controller settings, and here we see the PlayStation controller support. Now here we see not enabled. Simply press enabled in games without support or enabled. Now make sure to try the both of them, which works better for you. Simply try them both. Now once you enabled it, go down to the Steam menu once again, go to the library, and from out the library we go to the non-Steam games, and here you can select the game you want to play with a PS4 controller. Now from there the Steam layout will overtake the controller and you can play the game with the PS4 controller. Now let's say this doesn't work. What you want to do next is hop out of the Big Picture mode, so exit the Big Picture mode, and from there we go down to your preferred browser. Now from here we type in the link DS for Windows. Now this is a tool which can be programmed to actually use the controller for any game you'd like. So simply go down and download DS4, and from here you see a very easy installation guide, as you can see right here, and you can follow this in-depth guide to actually connect your PS4 controller. Now it is easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.